Welcome to Spotlight Carolina. I'm Ken Ulmer, living the pain-free life you deserve. I want to introduce you to someone who can help make that happen. Dr. David Jarrett is here from Asheville Orthopaedic Associates. Dr. Jarrett, nice to see you.
Thank you, Ken. Nice to be here.
Now, at Asheville Orthopaedic Associates, you have a same-day clinic. What is the difference between a same-day clinic and a walk-in clinic?
Well, if you come into a walk-in clinic, it's basically like coming in and taking a number and waiting until your number is called. We prefer to call it a same-day clinic. If you'll just call the office, we can give you a time and you have a reasonable expectation that we'll be on time and not waste so much of your time.
And hopefully you can walk in, but if your injury is such that you're hobbling in, what kinds of injuries would qualify someone to come into the same-day clinic?
Well, this is not an emergency room, so if you have deep lacerations or things where you need intervention of that ilk, you'd be better off going to the emergency room. Also, if your arm is crooked, you might be better served at the emergency room.
That might be a more immediate need for the ER.
Right. But if you've tweaked your knee or tweaked your shoulder, that's the kind of thing that we're happy to see you and try to help you get better as soon as possible.
Yeah, tell me more about the procedures that you'll perform at that clinic for patients who come in.
Well, it's more an evaluation clinic. We won't do any procedures.
Okay. But
we have the ability to work things up with X-ray, potentially even with MRI if necessary, so we can, cortisone injections and things like that would be procedures that we can do in the office.
And we should let people know that Asheville Orthopaedic Associates specializes in sports injuries. So if you are just a clumsy old guy like me who pulls something playing some pickup hoops, or a professional athlete, because you've got some experience doing that too, Asheville Orthopaedic Associates can help.
That's true. We've, for 12 years now, taken care of the Asheville tourists, and we have several doctors with a lot of experience in sports medicine. We have one doctor from Wake Forest who is part-time now, but he's been doing this for about 40 years.
So from the professional level, again, just to folks like me who are like, oh, I should not have moved that way, you can take care of that.
Oh, absolutely. From the high school athlete to the weekend warrior to the older retired athlete that still wants to keep their game, we can see them all.
And you're really passionate about personal service at Asheville Orthopaedic Associates.
We do. We get good feedback from patients about how we spend the time to talk to patients and try to explain it and educate patients. So we try to develop that doctor-patient relationship.
I think people really appreciate that too. If you could use the help from Asheville Orthopaedic Associates, let's get the info on the screen, AshevilleOrtho.com, or you can call 828-252-7331. Dr. Jarrett, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us for this edition of Spotlight Carolina. Make it a great day.